Hi guys, here is Belsee. Today I will introduce this 12.1-inch IPS touchscreen special for Highlander Tesla style screen. Okay, you can check the front panel. Okay, let me show it. You can check front volume button and this knob. This radio. Can check. This knob have function. Okay. It's up and it shows a full screen. Long press to search the radio stations. Okay, let me show it. You have radio and all apps are here. It's built-in Z-Link for Android and Apple Carplay. And easy connection for Mirrorlink. Both support Android phone and iPhone. Okay, built-in Play Store, you can download the applications from Play Store. Let me show the settings. More settings, it connect Wi-Fi, support Wi-Fi and chip PX6 RK3399 and Android version Android 9 Pie system. Okay. Other settings you can check in here to have the show information. It's RAM 4 GB and ROM 32 GB. It's built in DSP amplifier. Okay, let me show the Bluetooth. You can download the applications from Play Store. You can up this. Okay, and full screen. This device name and pin code is code number 1234. You can enable Bluetooth from your phone. This is my phone. Enable Bluetooth and Bluetooth device search. Okay, choose it and click connect. Sorry. Now let me check. Okay, your phone will get the message. It shows the pair. Please click yes. If you can search again and connect. Okay. It's show Bluetooth icon. Your phone will get the message. It shows if you download the contacts listing. You can refuse or click yes. Okay. You can make phone call. Okay, it works with Bluetooth free phone call. You can stream music from your phone. Okay, it supports stream music from your phone. Okay, let me testing the video and music. This USB driver connects the back overhead unit. It also comes with 2 USB cable. Okay, show Bluetooth icon. You can choose USB. Okay. This amplifier, it supports DSP amplifier. This DSP. You can adjust. Okay, this is music, video. It supports PRP touchscreen. It supports 4K video. This is 4K video. Okay, this menu, home. Okay, this console settings, TPM amplifier and fuse, car settings. Okay. This Android Auto and Apple Carplay support Android Auto and Apple Carplay already built-in modem. Settings. It supports connect to Wi-Fi and this is our website. you can check. If you have any more questions, please visit our website to contact to us, belsee.com, belse.com, yahoo.com. And Baidu. Okay. It's volume buttons, and this AC control panel. You can adjust the AC information. It comes with special harness and canvas box. You can check this special harness for Highlander. This is radio antenna connection. Okay, this canvas decoder box, Toyota Highlander. Okay, that's all. Okay, thank you.